Hi students, I would like to show you today how to leave me a message using Vocaroo. So I'm on the class page, I'm going to classwork and I'm going to week 4 where I can see leave a message. So we'll click on that and just move this over a little bit so you can see it. Okay, so leave a message. It says, read the flyer. How do you log into EMCN's 1030 online daycare program? Use Vocaroo to tell Julie how to do it. Watch the video, this is the video, and read the slides to learn how to leave a message. So first I want to look at the flyer, and I'm going to take my pen and make some notes. So, whoops. Okay, let's click on the flyer. So this is about that daycare program that Kim was talking about last week. And we see that the program is at 10:30 a.m. to 12 o'clock. So that's important. Write that one down in your notebook. Okay, 10:30 to 12. And now we're going to scroll down a little bit more so we can see the rest. Okay, so we can see here that you need to log in with this Zoom ID and password. So I'm going to write that down. That password is really easy to remember. And then the Zoom ID, I'm writing it down as well. And I also have an email that I could email if I needed help. So basically we see that you need to log in to Zoom with this Zoom ID and the password to join. And if you have trouble, you can contact Kelsworth at emcn.ab.ca or the phone number. So we've got that information recorded. Now I am going to go back to I'm going to click back here on the back arrow, and I'm going to go to Vocaroo to leave the message. So I click here. Okay, so this record button is my message. And I'm actually going to write down my message in my notebook beforehand so that I know what to say. That's a good trick for leaving messages. Now I'm going to record it. So you press that red button. Oh, Vocaroo wants to use your microphone. Allow. Okay, there. All right, so now I'm recording. You can see it. So I'm going to say, hi, Julie. This is how you log into the daycare program. So now I'm going to tell you the steps how to log in. Okay, and then when you're done, you are going to press this button to stop, the square, press the triangle to listen. And you guys can't hear it. I can hear it. I'm going to pause it by pressing those lines, and I don't like it. So I want to redo it. I click here on the red. Okay, and now I am redoing my message. Hi, Julie. This is how you log into Vocaroo. And you're going to press stop when you're done. And then you are going to press save and share. And it's just saving. Okay, so right down here you see the link. This is your link to the message that you just did. These two overlapping squares mean copy. So you want to press them, click on them to copy it. Now, here's the tricky part. You are going to go back to the Classroom tab at the top of your page, and you are going to click on that Vocaroo online voice recorder. Oh, sorry. You're going to click on View Assignments. See, even I got mixed up there. Okay, so now here is the assignment. You need to add your recording. So click on Add, and you're adding a link. So click on Add Link, Now, what are you going to do to add your link? You've already got it. So the step is to go Control V, Control V, letter V, to paste it. Then you click Add Link. So it's adding my link. And it just takes a little bit of time. Good. Okay. So I might want to just click on it to see if it's there. Let's see. Let me just listen. Oh, yeah, I can hear it. Good. Okay. So I made sure that it was there. And now I am going to go back to that classroom tab. And I'm good. It's good. I'm going to turn it in. And it says one attachment will be submitted. Tell Julie the steps for joining the CNC online programming, and I click Turn In. Okay, so that is how you submit your voice recording of how to join the daycare program on Monday. Thanks for listening.